What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Today, TNT Day. Big Dolo. TNT Day. So y'all know it's going down. Hey, you move the Monte Carlo? Yeah. Right here. So you got your key. But yeah, TNT Day. I'm finna get the twisted on these shocks. I'm gonna twist on these shocks a little bit, man. I should have been did it, but I'm finna start dialing in on these things, cause it's some people want some action. They want some smoke. So y'all know I got to send the smoke signal up. I got to send the smoke signal up. At least for the street car. I know what I got, but I got to get it to work. That's the thing. It's pointless having you can have all the power in the world, but if you can't make it work, pointless. So I'm finna get to doing some TNT. For one, first thing, yeah, we finna loosen these shots up. So I'm finna get up on the car, do that. I'm gonna jot down what my settings is. First, I'm shooting a separate video. If you're in the BCG Hangout, you'll know what my settings is. Man, I need to clean that. God, all that rubber. But other than that, I'm not telling nobody where I set my stuff at, man. I ain't gonna do that. But anyway, I'm gonna shoot 2 different videos. I'm finna to now. I am gonna tell y'all if it got better, and about the margin of how much it got better in comparison to what it normally been doing. That's why the drag come in handy, man. It come in handy. So I'm gonna get all this done. It's cold out here. Y'all see I got brown coat on. Big brown coat gang activity going on for real right now, cause we're finna get to it. Finna get on the ground, get to it, get dirty. So that's it. Y'all stay tuned. We finna turn up. All right, y'all. So checking in. So I got all the adjustments made. I just went on to there. Got to turning on them shocks. They real tight, boy, on there in the front. But on these shocks, you got a compression and a rebound knob. And what I'll do is I'll put a picture in there. So y'all can see how it look. AKA two-way adjustable shocks. That's what they mean, two-way. You got one ways, monos, and you got doubles. Which is two-way adjustable shock. And what it come with the two-way is you can adjust your compression and rebound. Which that's what you need if you racing or you running on different terrains and stuff like off-roading. You need the two-way adjustables. So the monos, they good for depending on what you're trying to do. If you just want to dampen your ride and stuff and you just more road driving, not trying to be competitive on different surfaces, then one way to do it. Or if you just want to get coilovers to adjust your ride height, just get one ways, man. Don't waste your money buying two-way double adjustables. Don't. It's a waste of money if you're not gonna really use them for what they for. So if you're just trying to adjust your ride height to fit different side wheels on or to lower your car, then just get you one way, man, and then adjust it till you make your ride comfortable like to your liking. You don't need double adjustable. You don't need to spend that extra money or custom valve. Like I had these shocks built for this car and what I'm doing and the weight of it and all that. So I got them all adjusted. Now I'm finna to pull a little bit of that 116 here. With too much gas, like I said, it's really too heavy of a gas for this car. That engine don't need 116, but that's what I got in there. I done used all the rest of my gas, and I don't feel like stopping by the gas station and doing all that. I just don't feel like it. It's cold. I really don't feel like shooting this video. I'll be honest with you, cause it's so cold. But I'm out here getting it in though. I'm out here getting it in. So I'm gonna pull a little bit of that 116, cause it's time for me to go do a gas run anyway. And we're gonna, when I turn y'all back on, man, we're gonna be testing. So I'll bring y'all that test with it. So I ain't gonna show y'all pulling the gas in. I'm gonna turn y'all back on with test. Pretty soon I have to jump the battery cause I ain't charged it up. So let's get this done, man. Let's see what old Dolo do. We aim. The goal is to get the 60 foot down. Excuse me. Tell you that's the goal. 60 foot tell you everything. That's why sometimes you be at the track, you see a car, they'll take off, and then they'll just stop and cruise. They getting a 60 foot. You know what your car gonna do on the big end. Like I know what Dolo gonna do on the big end. If I get the 60 foot down, I'm gonna be cooking with some grease. If I get this 60 foot down, it's on. It's on. So that's the goal. I might not make a full hit. I just want to see the 60 foot. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm finna get the gas in. Turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, got it all fired. Got big Dolo fired up. Trying to let it get a little bit of heat in the motor. But I ain't gonna let it run that long. I ain't got that much gas in it. But so if y'all hear it sound like it busting up, which it probably gonna do, it just cause the carburetor cold, man. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's the carburetor cold. I'm letting you know in advance. Yeah, it robbed it from a little power, but it ain't gonna get it in the 60 foot. So still gonna be good. It do it every time, man, until the carburetor gets some good heat in it. But we can go ahead and get to it. I'm finna, next clip y'all see gonna be from the Dragon, and gonna see what happens. Got the hits, but I ain't go with plan right now cause this bad boy needs some plugs in it. Leave the cold plug, I had enough. Cause it busting up. I know it needs some plugs. It got some, let me see. It got a little bit of heat in the motor right now, but like I said, it busting up, so it ain't making no power. Y'all hear it? Need some plugs in it. So get back to the house, get y'all the report. All right, we made it back. So I was thinking it plug. It still needs some plug though. I mean, I had already said I'm gonna change the plug, but it cleared up. That carburetor, I was able to finally look at the temperature, man. It's still, it take the engine a long time in the carburetor to heat up. It take a long time to get some heat in this engine cause them the Riley fans and the cooling system so good, and it's cold out here today, man. It's cold. That's a downside. It do take a long time for this stuff to heat up, but when the temperature start getting up a little more, it start clearing up, and my car always does that. Dolo does that every time, man. It'll be busting up a little bit, and then when it warm up, it's fine. The carburetor warm up and get some heat in the engine, it's fine. I mean, you done heard at the track, man. My boy Quick was telling Fad, put some heat in that motor, cause they'll go down there and be busting up, man. You got to have some kind of heat in the engine for real, or it will do that. But it cleared up and it gave it to it then, but I was like, man, I was almost back, so I was like, it just too late. But 60 foots was high, but I ain't get to really do no legitimate testing call. I had to let the car warm up so long, man. It wasn't just ideal time. I'm gonna have to have a good tank of gas here, cause it's gonna take a long time for it to warm up, man. And when I get to testing, I gotta do what I gotta do, and that be that. But what I'm about to do, so since it got some heat in the motor, I'm finna set the camera up right here, and then I can we can see what the suspension doing, cause I really want to see if the back going up more or whatever. And if the back separate more, then I adjust the front. But I ain't touched the front. But it kind of hard to tell, I ain't in the car and this and that, but I'm gonna see if the back going up. So I'm gonna get the chill, set y'all up on tripod right here, and then we can see what's going on. Alright, I was just looking at it. I was just looking at the footage. Definitely gonna have to need some more adjusting on the front. Back too, the back, I can get a little more travel. I need a little more travel, a lot on the front. I can see how it lunch on the foot brake versus the tram brake when you apply some power. And I turned the tram brake down too, a lot. But like I said, I just hate I didn't get no real data cause the car wasn't warm enough. I need more gas in the car to let it get warmed up completely to operating temperature, so it won't be busting up and it'll be making power. Cause no need in testing if it ain't making the true power. Then when it warm up, you go put some real power to it, it ain't gonna show you what you need to see. So but they're part of testing. It more travel in the back. It definitely more travel in the back. I can see that. But it's gonna have to take some more tweaking. Yeah. Gonna definitely take some more tweaking. Let me see. Have to loosen it all the way up. And I'm gonna tell y'all something, man, about adjustable shocks. If you tweaking and learning yourself like I am, but I do know this much, don't just go twisting on them knobs, cause one click can make a hell of a difference. Just one click can make a big difference. So you might think, hey, I need 2-3 more clicks. Nah, you can change. You can be done went past the spot you need, and you really got to adjust the shocks in conjunction with each other. The front in conjunction with the back. Like you can't just do one and not the other. I just changed the back just to see where we at. But what I'm gonna have to end up doing is rent the track. I'm gonna have to go on and rent the track like I said in original plan. Called this right here. Trying to rate, and I left. I got so happy and ready. I left and didn't adjust my tire pressure. I ain't even check the tire pressure, and I know it too much. I know it's too much tire pressure. So, you know, like I said, they're just something you gotta do or whatever. So it just take a lot of time, man. Any hard tire racing anyway, even if you run on 15 at hard tire, it just takes some time, man. It's being patient. It's a lot of shock adjustment, a lot of data, a lot of power management and stuff. Like I'm just trying to get it to go down on motor power alone right now, on just horsepower alone. But once I get it to going down on horsepower, then I'll apply some more. I got that part, the power management part. I got that. That part I do understand. I can do that. I got that. Cause I done laid down a mean pass in the road on with John Jones. I say this. I put a tune in that thing, and I went faster in the road on a hard tire than I went when I went to the track that time, before I made the changes and stuff. I put a mean tune in there, a mean little ramp. So I got the power management. John Jones had been very fast on a hard tide on bare asphalt, no burnout. I have done it. I have the proof with the Dragon. But it was because I set in a 9th ramp power management. So I got that part once I get this thing going down. Once I get it, once I can get this thing to lead the line on motor, and it ain't doing no spinning, it's over with. I got it then. I know how to manage the nitrous. I can manage the nitrous and get it down the track. It's just gonna go faster. So, little baby step, little baby step. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all in the end, man. I'm gonna show y'all everything. But if you want to see it right now in real time, gotta be in the BCG Hangout, man. I mean, that's where I'm turning the camera on and filming the stuff that I normally would film. Like, honestly, even this session right here, this test session, I normally wouldn't film this, cause I'm actually testing, trying to get real world data. I wouldn't even film it, but I was like, I'm gonna show y'all. I probably would have filmed it after I got it doing halfway decent, but I'm showing y'all when I'm truly starting to tinker with it. So, you know, it's gonna get better, man. It's gonna get better. But like I said, man, if you're looking at this one first, I already got y'all, or I got it coming. I got a video coming in the BCG Hangout, so y'all slide over there too for my members. Man, I gotta get this thing on the dyno, man. I got to get on the dyno. I got an idea. I know how much power I know how much power we're putting down to the wheels, but I think it's gonna shock me with what I got in my head versus what it really making. And I know how much flywheel horsepower we make. I put together a mean one. So I'm finna put this thing up, man, cause I got some other stuff to do too. I gotta go get these videos up. It's gonna take me about an hour, so I'm finna go do that. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.